Why does your scanner show the P0929 engine code? What does it mean? P0929 is a diagnostic trouble code for Gear Shift Lock Solenoid control, circuit range, or performance. The P0929 engine code for indicate the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected that the Gear Shift Lock Solenoid or Actuator is not operating within its expected performance range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty gear shift lock solenoid, damaged wiring or connectors, low battery voltage or charging system issues, mechanical obstruction in the shifter assembly, faulty PCM or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Toyota, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.